Go.
I'm Mason Epperson, and this is my West Point Bridge project. I built two bridges. I had the budget bridge and the sturdy bridge. Here's my design brief. So my client company was the American Department of Transportation, and the consumer was American Commuters. I was the lead and sole engineer of this, and the problem was an expanding river needs two new bridges for commuters to cross. And I will create the cheapest bridge possible and the most sturdy bridge possible. And the criterion constraints for bridge 1 was just make the cheapest possible functional bridge. And then the second bridge was kind of a free-for-all, no limitations, just creative freedom. My design summary. So for the budget bridge, I tried to maximize the tension and compression forces on each member without reaching the breaking point. And by doing this, I was able to minimize the cost and reduce it as much as I could to get maximal performance of the bridge simultaneously. For the sturdy bridge, I tried to maximize the cost by using the most expensive materials at the highest scale that I could figure out how to. And this created a very structurally sound bridge with minimal amounts of force on each member and a quite costly bridge. Here's the picture of my budget bridge. So this is it in simulation, and then here is it on the design format. Pretty small, as you can see. Here's a video of this in action. So as you can see, it gets pretty tense there, pretty stretched and compressed, which was ideal because I would just keep lowering the thickness and modifications of the materials until I could get the highest possible force out of each thing. Here's my overall cost calculation, and it ended up being $216,000, which I believe is pretty quality for that. And yeah, I just did this by trial and error for the most part. Here's my sturdy bridge. I kind of just put as much really expensive high-strength steel as I could at the thickest variant possible, and so it gets kind of an interesting look there. Here's a video of it in action. As you can see, pretty much no stress or compression there. Pretty sound bridge somehow.
Looks like lungs.
Yeah, something. And then here's the final cost calculation for the sturdy bridge. It ended up just under $14,000 or $14 million, sorry. And yeah, there we go.
Awesome.